Hey guys, welcome to my Yatras. This video, Adobe of the Nature, is part 2 of the series Spiti Valley-Nature Unlimited. In this series, we are exploring Spiti Valley. In the previous video, that is part 1 of this series, the route to the Spiti Valley was shown. If you have missed it, click on the above suggested video button to view it. In this part, I have tried to capture the scenic beauty of the road from Chandigarh to Spiti. Also, some amazing landscape in and around Spiti is shown. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for next video showing destinations at Spiti Valley. Do subscribe the channel and click on the bell button. Bye bye.